Ever found yourself stuck at the airport, questioning why you didn't prepare better? What if I told you there are critical travel hacks and secrets that most people miss? Secrets that could save you time, money, and maybe even your sanity. Keep watching to uncover them all. You won't want to travel again without knowing this. Number 1. The hidden costs of traveling. Let's start with the basics. What airlines aren't telling you? If you've ever flown, you know how fast extra charges can add up. But here's the kicker. A large portion of those hidden fees can be completely avoided if you know where to look. From booking fees that could be skipped to better strategies for selecting seats, there's a whole world of travel savings that airlines prefer to keep under wraps. And we're just scratching the surface. Did you know that most airlines charge more for specific seat locations, like those near the wings or exits? In 2025, airlines like Delta and American are known for sneaking in these extra charges under the guise of preferred seating. But here's the catch. If you know which seats are free or lower cost, you could avoid these sneaky fees entirely. Websites like Seat Guru offer detailed maps to help you choose the best seats without extra costs. So the next time you're booking, check these tools before you commit. But that's not all. Airlines will also hide costs by offering Economy Plus options that sound like an upgrade, but often don't provide much more space for a huge markup. In 2025, these premium seats are not always what they seem. Keep an eye out for these hidden tactics. Many travelers just accept these upsells without questioning them, costing them hundreds over the course of multiple trips. Number 2, packing smarter. If you're a frequent traveler, you've probably been there, standing at the baggage claim, anxiously watching the conveyor belt, praying your bag doesn't cost you extra. Baggage fees have become a major travel inconvenience, and for seniors or families with kids, the hassle can be even worse. The good news? There are smart ways to avoid paying for checked bags, and some of these options are hidden in plain sight. In 2025, many airlines now allow you to carry more free baggage if you're a senior or a frequent flyer. Airlines like United and Southwest offer baggage perks for travelers over 65, which can significantly reduce your travel costs. If you qualify, these benefits could save you anywhere from $30 to $100 per bag on a round-trip flight, but it's up to you to ask for them. Most airlines won't offer this information up front. Additionally, if you're traveling with kids, you can often avoid paying for extra luggage by packing strategically. Some airlines provide free allowance for children's gear, including strollers or car seats, but only if you ask. Knowing how to pack efficiently, like using compression bags or combining your carry-ons, can free up more room without forcing you to pay for extra luggage. Number 3, airport hacks. We all know the stress of airport security. Now, how to breeze through security and avoid stress? The long lines, the waiting, the shoe removal. It can be a nightmare, especially when you're in a rush. But in 2025, there are simple tricks to skip these delays and enjoy a much smoother airport experience. One of the best-kept secrets for frequent flyers? TSA PreCheck. If you haven't enrolled in it yet, now's the time. For a small fee, which you can easily recoup after just a few trips, TSA PreCheck allows you to skip the long lines and enjoy expedited screening. But here's the catch. It's not just about getting through security faster. With PreCheck, you can keep your shoes on, leave your laptop in your bag, and breeze through without the hassle. In fact, TSA PreCheck enrollment has surged in recent years, with over 10 million members enrolled by 2025. But here's the trick. You don't have to wait for months to get approved. Many airports now offer TSA PreCheck enrollment at the airport itself, saving you precious time before your flight. Be sure to check with your airport to see if they offer this service. Number 4, the secret to finding cheaper flights. You've probably heard that the best time to book a flight is on a Tuesday. But does that still hold true in 2025? Absolutely. However, there's so much more to finding the cheapest flights. Timing is everything. According to recent data from sites like Google Flights and Skyscanner, flight prices fluctuate dramatically based on when you book and how close you are to your departure date. For example, booking a flight for midweek can save you up to 20% compared to weekend bookings. Similarly, flights that depart on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday mornings tend to be less expensive than weekend or holiday flights. But here's where the real hack comes in: setting up price alerts. By using apps and websites like Hopper or Skyscanner, you can track the prices for specific flights over time. These platforms use AI to predict when flight prices are likely to drop, helping you book when prices are at their lowest. In 2025, this is one of the easiest ways to score cheap flights without scouring countless websites manually. Number 5. The dangers of cheap travel insurance. When it comes to booking travel, one of the most overlooked aspects is travel insurance. And here's where it gets tricky. While it's tempting to select the cheapest insurance option, it often ends up costing you more in the long run. In 2025, basic travel insurance plans may seem like a bargain, but they usually come with hidden exclusions that can leave you stranded if things go wrong. For example, many low-cost policies won't cover medical emergencies, lost luggage, or trip cancellations due to family emergencies. All things you'd expect to be covered. So before you opt for that cheap option, take a deeper look at what's covered. It's also important to read the fine print on policies, as many will exclude coverage for pandemics or natural disasters. Two things that seem far more likely to occur in today's climate. Number 6. Airport lounge access. Ever wondered how to escape the chaos of a crowded terminal? Airport lounges are the perfect place to relax, and in 2025, accessing them has never been easier or more affordable, especially for seniors and frequent flyers. You don't need to be a VIP to enjoy these perks. Many premium credit cards like Chase Sapphire Reserve or Platinum American Express offer complimentary lounge access. But here's the secret. Many airlines also offer discounted or even free lounge access for seniors, particularly on international flights. Airlines such as Delta, American Airlines, and United have recognized the benefits of offering lounge access to seniors, especially those with mobility issues. Lounges provide quiet spaces, free food, premium drinks, and a much-needed break from the airport hustle. Seniors can access lounges through Priority Pass or certain flight class tickets, often for a reduced rate. So next time you're flying, check your eligibility for lounge access. You might be able to relax in luxury before your flight. Number 7. Traveling with your pet. Traveling with pets doesn't have to break the bank. Pet fees can be steep, but in 2025, many airlines offer discounts for seniors and frequent flyers. Airlines like Southwest and JetBlue provide lower pet fees or even allow pets to travel in the cabin for free on select routes if you book the right ticket. These benefits are not always advertised, so be sure to ask when booking. Airlines also offer pet-friendly cabins and, for special needs pets, emotional support privileges. Just be sure to apply ahead of time. With these simple hacks, you can make pet travel more affordable and comfortable for both you and your furry companion. The best travel apps you need in 2025. No matter how experienced of a traveler you are, there's always something new to learn. But luckily, technology has your back. If you're planning a trip in 2025, these apps should be on your radar. Hopper helps you predict the best time to book flights and hotels, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars. Lounge Buddy. Access airport lounges at discounted prices, perfect for avoiding the chaos and enjoying some peace before your flight. Airbnb. Not just for accommodations anymore. Airbnb offers everything from guided tours to airport transfers at local rates. Google Trips. Keep all your reservations, activities, and travel details in one place with this simple yet powerful app. And there you have it. All the tips, tricks, and hacks you need to travel like a pro in 2025. If you found these secrets helpful, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow travelers. Don't forget to drop a comment letting us know your favorite travel tip, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more insider secrets and travel hacks. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.